In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about customizing the Shopify Dawn theme for 2025 to set up your online store with ease. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to freshen up your digital storefront, this guide will walk you through each step to help you tailor the perfect shopping experience for your customers. Let's start by heading over to your Shopify account. Make sure you're logged in and at the dashboard where you'll see a variety of options. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to My Store, which is effectively your command center for all things Shopify. Once you're on this page, look for the Online Store link. Clicking on it will guide you to a section dedicated to the look and function of your shop. Now that you're in the Online Store section, it's time to focus on themes, which are a significant part of how your Shopify store is presented to the world. Here, you'll want to select the Customize option. This is where the magic happens. It's where you can really put your stamp on your online store, making it as personal and engaging as you wish. You'll likely see the Dawn theme available, which is Shopify's own creation designed for elegance and sophistication. Once you've clicked Customize, you'll find yourself engulfed in the world of theme settings. At the top of the screen, or perhaps in a sidebar, search for Theme Settings and give it a click. These settings are crucial. They allow you to fine-tune various aspects of your theme, like colors, typography, and other stylistic details that ensure your store doesn't just function well, but also looks great. Scrolling further, you'll notice the option labeled App Embedded. This area is important for integrating with various apps that can enhance the functionality of your store. Whether it's to boost sales, monitor traffic, or automate elements of your process, app embeds can be incredibly powerful. Simply click here and you'll see options that can be toggled on or off. Be thoughtful with these choices. Each app can provide different benefits, so explore what's available and how they align with your business needs. In summary, customizing the Shopify Dawn theme involves just a few straightforward steps, navigating from the general layout of your shop down into the nuanced settings. By following these instructions, you can create a visually appealing and functional online store that resonates with your brand identity, enhances customer experience, and ultimately supports your business goals. This setup shouldn't just end today. Continually tweak and optimize as you gather data and receive feedback from your customers. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to play around a bit and make this setup your own. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling.